return on our investment. Now, as you can see, these buy and sell signals are pretty consistent. If you go further back on the stock, this was a bit of a volatile period. It wasn't a good time in the stock market. It's probably not the best time to have used it, but still it worked. It's still, whenever the 4 and 9 day averages crossed, the rule was consistent. So back to our steps, we identified where 4 and 9 day averages cross for buy signal, and then for the sell signal it's exactly the same thing. Now what's happening there is currently it looks like this stock might actually be in a downtrend. It's as if this is going down. At the moment I wouldn't mess with this, although the 4 day average crossed the 9 day average just there. I don't think the uptrend is strong enough to actually use it. Okay, so that's one example. We gotta have a look at a couple of these to kind of get a good idea for what's possible. Let's just pick any of them. Okay, so we're looking. I can't find that today. Where is it? Stocks in an uptrend. There we go. And then we'll just pick any of them. There we go. Okay, so let's just get rid of the candlesticks. I like to use the lines, and we'll make that a little bigger and click update. Okay, excellent. So this is a good example. You can clearly see this stock's in an uptrend. There's no doubt about it. This thing's going up. Okay, so we've identified a stock in an uptrend. What we want to do next is we want to look at the 4 and the 9 day moving averages. Okay, and now what we want to do is we want to look at where the 4 day average crosses over the 9 day average. Now back down sort of middle of March, this would have been a good time to get into this stock, because that's where the 4 day average crossed the 9 day average. The blue line crossed the red line, and that's been going now for the last two and a half months. Now this, I would say this stock is definitely going back up again. So it's in an uptrend, there's no doubt about it. The 4 day average crossed the 9 day average, so this is a buy signal. Okay, so this is definitely a buy. Let's look at another one. Okay, so let's do this again. Line. Let's update that. Okay, excellent. Another, see, these are great because these are all in an uptrend. It's important when you do these stock scans that you look at stocks that are in an uptrend. It's going to make your life a lot easier. So this is great. So that's definitely in an uptrend. Let's look at the moving averages. Let's activate the 4 and the 9 day, and let's update it. Okay, excellent. So what we're seeing now is there's been a cross a couple of days ago. So this is definitely a buy signal. It's with a 4 day cross the 9 day. So that's in a buy signal. If we go a little bit backwards on this stock, there was definitely a buy signal there with a 4 day average cross the 9 day average, and that continued. That didn't cross back. It crossed back mid-April, so that would have been a sell signal. Okay, so back in mid-April that would have been a sell signal. So between mid-March and I would say mid-April, that was like a 4-week period where you could have made a lot of money on this stock. So yeah, I mean, we're running out of time on this video, but let's just flip back to the important thing is you got to practice this, but it is as simple as just, finding stocks in an uptrend, activating 4 9 day moving averages and looking where these lines cross, where the slower average is crossing the faster one, it's a buy signal, and where the opposite occurs, it's a sell signal. And yeah, I mean that's the moving average crossover method. It's as simple as that. I'm gonna make another video after this, and we'll look at some more examples. 10 minutes on the video is a little bit short to cover everything, but there's a couple more things I want to point out to you to help you make better decisions on this. So yeah, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.